This video I'm going to show you how to open up the ports for CRE. So you're going to search SQL Server Configuration Manager. And then you're going to go to Protocols. And then you're going to go to TCP/IP. And then you're going to click on IP addresses. You're going to scroll all the way down where it says IP all. And then you're going to change this to 32001. You're going to click OK. It's going to tell you that you need to restart the services. You're going to click OK. Then you're going to go to SQL Server Services. And then you're going to restart. And then you're gonna restart this also. Next, we're going to go into Windows Defender Firewall. With Advanced Security, this is the one you're going to click on. And then you're going to click on Inbound Rules. You're going to click on New Rule. You're going to check off Port. And then you're going to specify 32,001. Then Next. And then you're going to have Allow Connection. Next. You put in the name, you're going to click Finish, and then you're going to do the same thing for Outbound Rule. You're going to click on Outbound Rules, then you're going to click New Rule, then you click Port, and then the same thing, you're going to put 32,001, allow the connection, you're going to put in the name, it could be anything.